What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. Now check this out. This is one of the best power banks you can actually buy. It will last you ages, and if you're a frequent traveler like me when I go abroad, then this is the perfect power bank for you. This is the Anker model A1695. It's a high power multi-device charger. It's 25,000 mAh, 165 watt built-in and retractable cables as well. So it's got 100 watt single port fast charging. It charges 4 devices simultaneously, and it's high resolution display as well. You can charge your laptops, you can charge your smartphones, you can charge your consoles, you can charge your tablets, anything you want. You can charge it with this Anker power bank. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As always, put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video, you'll actually be notified. Now, as you know, I do make some videos abroad, and I've got a small 5,000 mAh power bank, but this is going to do me very well, as I can charge my phone at least 5, 6 or even 7 times, and my laptop and my camera with this power bank. So let's open it up and let's check it out. The Anker multi-device charging power bank. Let's get started. Right, let's take a look at the box first. So it is quite a bit heavy as well. This is the world's #1 mobile charging brand. Ultra fast and stylish charging for Apple, Samsung and much more. Here is what it looks like. That's the display, and you've got power outlets and inputs around the power bank as well. Yeah, I've got a lanyard as well there. So it is compatible with loads of devices, even your new iPhones. This is just what iPhones are out at the time as well. So you got your earphones, your cameras, MacBooks, Chromebooks, Google Pixels, Samsung phones, iPhones, whatever you want to charge, you can do it with this Anker device. Live charge. So 165 watt max total output, 25,000 mAh battery for global travel, and dual built-in cables as well. So we're going to check that out. So let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. It is a big box and it is heavy as well. That's probably mainly the power bank itself. Let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. Straight out of the box, you are greeted with the power bank here. Look how big this is. Wow, it is very heavy. Let me just give you a size comparison of what it's the same height size as my iPhone 17 Pro, not the Max, the iPhone 17 Pro. So that's just giving you a little size comparison. It is really heavy as well. You can use it on airplanes as well, I've been told. So inside the box, you've got a pouch to store your power bank in, and also a safety sheet. And that is about it inside of the box. Let's check out the power bank. Wow, this is chunky. Very chunky. So the lanyard acts as a charging cable as well. So it looks like a lanyard, but if you swipe it up, it is a USB Type-C charging wire as well. And if you swipe it back in, you can actually, it is kind of strong as well. You've also got another USB Type-C charging wire here, which is retractable as well. So if you pull it and it'll hold, pull it again, it retracts back and it clips in to the side as well, so it's not hanging out. So you have the screen here, and on the side there's a button here which you can press. It's 18% charged. If you press it again, it shows you the battery temperature. Press it again, it shows you the battery health, which is 100%, 0 cycle counts, and it takes it off from there. Double tap will bring up your information. So if you're charging it from the C1, C2, C3, or it just shows you how much watts it's actually charging it from, or you can just leave it on 80% of the battery charger there. So you've got a USB Type-C input and output as well, so you can charge your laptops from here or whatnot, and you've also got a USB Type-A input or output there as well. At the bottom, it gives you a bit more information about the power bank, and here we have 25,000 mAh, and it does say airplane friendly with a QR code, and CE as well. 165 watt charging. Wow, this is a the beast of power banks. Let me give you more information about it. The Anker multi-device charging power bank has a 25,000 mAh high capacity battery, making it airline friendly for carry-on luggage. Enough capacity to recharge phones multiple times or provide substantial power for laptops and tablets. It delivers up to 165 watt total output when charging two compatible USB Type-C devices, ideal for laptops, tablets, smartphones, cameras, gaming handhelds and other USB Type-C devices. It has dual USB Type-C cables. One is a lanyard version, USB Type-C, but this is the C2. And the other is a retractable one at the top, and this is the C1. So it tells you on this charger, it can give you input in and out, and this one here is the same, in and out. This charges 4 devices at the same time. So anything that is USB Type-C, from the C1 to the C2, the retractable one and the lanyard one, and also you've got another USB Type-C charging port and also USB Type-A charging port as well. So you can charge them all 4 at the same time. And if you double tap this button on the left here, it will show you what wattage each one is on, either the C1, C2, this is C3, and the A is right there. So it'll charge you what wattage it's charging on. So it has a color smart display. It shows you the battery percentage, the remaining battery time, power input and output as well. It has active charging ports, and it will actually give you battery temperature and battery health information as well. So that is the best power bank you can buy when it comes to charging your devices. If you want to see any other videos with this power bank, let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to charge it, and when I take it on holiday, I'll make a video then as well to show you what kind of devices I'll be charging while using this multi-device charging power bank by Anker. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.